Today I'm looking at an item. It's a Conair Girl Bomb, basically a 2-in-1 hypoallergenic shaver, trimmer, all kinds of different accessories all included in this. This is a really nice quality item. Let me just go over some of the accessories and just give you my thoughts and my opinion about this item. This is the box. This is how it comes in. So it does come with an instruction manual. Of course, take your time, look at that and read it over. Of course, take a look at that. So what's in the kit here? We have the razor, some accessories, a bag, and a USB charger. So you just have to be aware, this one here does not come with a brick itself charger. You have to actually plug this into your own charging port, USB-C, whatever you have, computer. So this is how it comes, just like you see it, just like here. So this is what you need to have. That was a little disappointing for me. I did notice that was the only thing that I didn't care for. It didn't have the charger itself, but you have to plug it into your own port. That's the only thing I don't like about it, but other than that, it seems like a really nice quality item. Now this is a little bag it comes into, a little carrying case for traveling. That's really nice. That comes with that. Comes with the USB, like I told you. Put that to the side. Here's the razor itself. You did charge it. Took around about 35 to 45 minutes to actually charge the razor. It's small, lightweight, compact, and very handy and very small in the hand. You can see here. Again, this comes off. So these have different heads that do come with the system. There's so different ones. Facial hair is on here. On this big one here, you have an ear, nose, eyebrows, legs, bikini lines, things of that nature, all in here as well. This is the kit here. You can use this little adapter you can put on here. On that adapter with this, you can do your eyebrows. Comes in a little bag. All this here. You can do some trimming with this as well. Comes with 2 trim heads as well. These come off very easily. You just twist it and pull it off. That's how you do it. The motor driver is right here. You just plug it right in like that. Twist it back on. And that's how you use the razor. Again, small, lightweight, compact, and quite powerful for a small razor. Again, this is something that's really good for all types of use. You really need something for small, compact, and powerful. Shave your legs, things like that. Definitely the way to go. A nice trimmer, especially for the eyebrows or things like that, legs, things, all that type of trimming and all that. Really kind of cool. The Conair All-In-1 body and facial hair remover definitely does what it says. It's very, very lightweight and very small. I want you to see how small this is. Very compact and small. I'll give you a quick measurement so you see how small it really is. It is approximately 7 inches long and approximately 2 inches wide. So throw this in your suitcase, overnighter, weekender, whatever it is you have it all here, all your accessories with all the different adapters, all included in this one kit. Throw it in the bag and go. That's what I have for you. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope I brought you some value, showed you a little bit about what it was. Different colors are available, different handle sizes like this. They have different ones available. This one's black, and there's also different ones available online. But that's this one. Great product. It's got a lot of good reviews. It works quite well. It goes on like that. This little cover comes with, little protection cover. You can see how it goes on and off. Very easy. The switch is really nice and smooth. No problems there. And that's it. Like I said, the only pet peeve I did have that you do have to plug it into either a laptop or if you have a USB port somewhere, which everybody seems to have them today. Seems to be an issue. So that's it. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed the review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Follow this channel for more. Appreciate your time as always. And thanks for watching.